Okay, so today we're going to be installing the Torque Solution shift cable bushing kit for the Toyota Yaris. You'll only need a few tools for this. Need some pliers, flathead screwdriver, and a 10mm socket. This should be a pretty quick, easy install. First, you're going to need to remove the stock airbox system. You can reference my how to install a cold air intake video on how to remove it. You have one down here, and there's one down under here, just kind of under the corner of the better. I'm going to remove this to give myself some more space. Okay, so I did get the original bushings removed. It did take a lot of forcing. I did damage them and tear them up. The small one here, I did have to tear it pretty good. I had to pull it out with the plier. The larger one here was a lot easier. I just pried it with the flathead screwdriver. Didn't mess it up too bad. I can't even really tell where I pried it. Looks like right there, a little bit of a mark. Anyways, so they're out. It's good to go. Okay, so you want to get your big one here, bushing here, and that comes with this big C-clamp. Put it underneath. You want to slide this in. Should be able to get it by hand. If not, might use pliers to help. Yeah, it's pretty snug. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to get that by hand. So let's push this back in. You can put it back down on the pin here. All right, let's see if I can put this on. Maybe down here. Sorry, not the best angle, but let me pull it back out. Let's see if we can. So we got it here. Try to force it on as much as I can by hand. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Almost there. A little bit more. Looks like it's on all the way. I can't really tell. So push it back in and down on. Oh yeah, it's on there. Okay. And then you need to do the same thing with the small one. So again, bushing, a little smaller bushing, and C-clip. So get that guy, put your bushing in, get your C-clip. I'm not in the right spot. I need to be in the, there we go. Try your best to slide it in. And I drop it. Of course I do. Take your bushing. You're gonna get your C-clip. I'm gonna come from this side instead this time. Let's see if I can. There we go. That's on there. You want to come back, find your pin. There it is. Where is it? Where is it? I can feel it. I can't see it. There it is. Okay. And this one does include new. Let me take my gloves off. I'll drop these. It comes with new clips, retaining clips. So these are the originals. You can reuse them if you want. It also includes these, so either one should be fine. I'll just use the ones that they included since they're included in the kit. So I can't tell where the hole is. So yeah, this one right in, no problem. This one is not fitting. There's too much play here. It's too tall. I can't actually get the clip into the opening. So it seems to me a bit of maybe a quality problem. So this one, the bushing fits snug in here with the C-clip, really tight, feels good. This one is a lot of play, a lot of slop. And because of that, like this is too thick. When I put it on here, I can't get the clip, it doesn't go down enough to give me access to the clip. So I'm disappointed actually. You know, this wasn't a crazy expensive part. It was $29, but that's very disappointing. Yeah, I'm really highly disappointed. I'm gonna have to figure something out. Okay, so I came up with a solution. Not happy at all. It will work, but I'm extremely disappointed with that this didn't fit, that I had to cut this. It should be okay. So what I ended up having to do was using a countersink and I cut into it, and then I used a Dremel I had to basically make an edge where it could fit around. There's sort of almost like a built-in washer on the pin here, and I had to fit around it so that this could slot down enough so that the cotter pin could come through. So I could get it down enough to get to the hole of the pin. I'm gonna throw it on. It should work. We'll see. You can see now it should fit. Yeah, there's enough that, yeah, no problem. Can't see it. Get the C-clip. It's on there, it's working. It didn't go the way I wanted to. Again, really surprising that it didn't fit right out of the box. The larger one here fit fine, no issue. This one here did not fit out of the box, so I don't know, we'll see. I'll drive it around for a few days and see if it feels any different. Okay, so since I installed the Torque Solution bushings on the shift linkage for the Yaris, I've been driving around and it's working great. You can definitely feel the difference. But the combination of the short throw shifter with the Torque Solution bushings it's pretty good. It's a lot better than pretty good. I really like it. Now I did install a short throw shifter as well. Before I put those bushings, I drove that around for a little while. So from the stock shifter to the short throw shifter was a massive difference. And then adding those bushings also, you can tell a difference. It feels a little tighter, a bit more crispness to it. It's definitely noticeable. So that combination, the bushings with the short throw shifter, is really nice. It really changes the way the car feels. I really like it. It's more fun to shift through it. Something I would definitely recommend. Even if you just want to do the bushings, even with the stock shifter, I'm sure it would make a noticeable difference. I really like it. So hope you enjoy this. Till next time, thanks. Crispness.